In this guide, I'll show you how to fix FPS drops, stuttering, and lag in Minecraft. All you need to do is follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Right-click your taskbar. Then open Task Manager. Open the Processes tab. Click CPU to sort the processes. Close any unnecessary programs using a lot of CPU or GPU resources. Once you're done, close Task Manager. Now open the Windows settings. Go to Gaming. Select Xbox Game Bar. Turn it off. Then open Captures. Turn record in the background while I'm playing a game off. Now open Game Mode. Try turning Game Mode on or off. Keep the setting that gives you better FPS. Go back. Open Windows Update. Download and install any available updates. Then restart your computer if required. Now update your graphics card driver. Open your graphics card software. Or visit your graphics card manufacturer's website. Download and install the latest driver. Restart your computer. Then launch Minecraft again. Your FPS should now be smoother. If you're still experiencing FPS drops, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to help you. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy guides. Thank you for watching.